Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by defining exactly what you mean by the ball. Are you buying a soccer ball, researching a historic ball event, or finding an image? Once done, pick 2 4-sharp keywords like 5-size soccer ball, vintage debutante ball 1920, or red rubber playground ball. Make sure to include brand or year when relevant. Open your browser and run a baseline search to see common results. This first pass tells you which modifiers to keep or discard. Now refine with Google operators to cut noise. Put quotes around exact phrases when you want literal matches. That forces Google to keep the ball intact. Use a minus sign to exclude irrelevant meanings, for example, ball dance movie to remove event and film results. Once you narrow scope, try site, museum, org, or file type, PDF to find authoritative write-ups or specs. Make sure to iterate. Change one operator at a time and compare results to see which combination finds the best sources. To finish, verify what you found by cross-checking 2 to 3 independent sources for consistency and dates. This prevents mistaking replicas for originals. Once done, save links or take screenshots. If Google keeps returning irrelevant pages, clear cache, switch region or language settings, or use incognito to get fresh results. If that fails, try synonyms, alternate spellings, or Google Images and reverse image search. These often reveal the exact ball.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.